69 days out today. Every day is a new day and another day, and it feels like every day is the same. That's for sure. That is what it is. That's the thing about bodybuilding. It kind of feels like there's a bit of monotony. Just kind of doing the same thing every day, eating the same food every day. You eat like a dog, You eat at the same time every day, and you eat measured food, the same measured food every time. Eat like a dog. And that's the best way to be successful in this sport. But it does feel like Groundhog's Day every day. That's part of the game. What does change every day, if you are following your diet properly, is your physique will change day to day as you get leaner. So that is fun. You might look at yourself in the mirror at day 70 and eat properly and not cheat on your diet. And day 69, you may notice some new veins or some new striations that weren't there before. At least I think that's pretty cool. But I will say, as you lean down, you do lose a little bit of muscles. That's okay too. As you lean it down, it's a funny illusion, because you lean down, you get lighter. Theoretically, you lose some size, but the leaner you look, the leaner you become, the more muscular you look, the bigger you look. It's quite the illusion. And the bigger and so the leaner you look, the leaner you are, the bigger and stronger you look. But in all actuality, you're smaller and weaker than ever before. Let that fucking sit around in your brain a little bit, bub. Alright, well, today we're gonna go do some back. I literally just woke up. I was off last night, so I literally just woke up. Got up, brushed teeth, dropped the morning, and then pre-workout, drew on sweats, put some water on my face, and got the fuck out. I am fasted. I have been training fasted. That's just what I've been doing, man. So I weighed myself yesterday. For any of you that's been following along, I was 203. And if you've been following along, last week I was 198. So that's interesting. I don't cheat on the diet. In fact, I'm probably not eating enough. I do my cardio, and when it follows the socials, pretty much see me post my finish, and I basically post the last couple seconds of the cardio almost every day. Not exactly every day, but I almost post it. I post it almost every day. You just gotta trust me that I am doing it. But the fact that the weight, I don't know. I guess we'll see. We'll just keep going. Not even worry about it, I guess. But we are about 10 weeks out. 10 weeks from 2025, Syracuse. if not, keep following here, and I hope I'm giving some information along the way of this journey. And just so you know, there's nothing, I'm just a normal dude. And I am documenting this, and it's not for, I mean, yeah, it's for other people, but it's also for me. And don't be shy to do it yourself if you want to do it. You know, your kids will probably love it. It doesn't have to be bodybuilding, it could be anything. Document your journey. It's fun. I got the sun blasting me in the eyes right now. But it's fun. Do it anyway, bud. But I'll finish this like I do every time. Don't anyone tell you no. Don't anybody stop you from going after what you want. Because there's going to be a lot of people that are going to try. And you got to not let them. Not let negativity seep into your brain. Not let them stop you from pushing yourself to the limits. Remember, you get out what you put in. You get out what you put in. The more you do, the more you get. The more work you put in, the more you get. So put in that work. Put in that sweat equity. And reap benefits. Alright. Go get it.